Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a Mercedes Benz Sprinter van and you're having trouble getting your awning to come out, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Number one, you have to make sure that your ignition is turned off. And obviously, you know where the button is, but I'm going to show you anyway. So here's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to push that right there. Now, notice that nothing's happening. You can hear that noise. It's sticking a little bit. So all you need to do, if it sticks, is just reach up here and give it a little bit of help. And there you go. Now it's coming out. Those are the tricks to making sure that your awning is working with your Mercedes Benz Sprinter van. So if you try those things and it doesn't work, tell me about it down in the comments and we'll see if we can come up with an additional solution for you. If this video helped you out, please make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and share this video on your timelines so it can help other people. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing or watch our full video on this Sprinter van, check out the videos that are on the screen right now and we'll see you there.